Wood hand screw clamps might seem old-fashioned, but they've got uses that no other clamp provides. To begin with, each clamp can provide even pressure along several inches. And this is true even when the jaws aren't parallel. The individually operated hand screws allow the jaws to work over a wide range of angles. And the wooden jaws resist slipping and are less likely to leave marks on your parts. Wood jaws also make it very easy to adapt and modify the clamps for whatever task you have at hand. Available with jaws from 6 to 12 inches long, BESSEY's wood hand screw clamps also excel at holding parts during milling operations. Too small to safely hold by hand, can be held securely in the wooden jaws, providing complete control while keeping hands out of the work zone. With little risk of damage to expensive blades, bits, and tools should they accidentally come into contact with the clamp. Woodworkers understand why these clamps have been around for so long and appreciate their versatility using them all around the shop. Not only are they excellent at holding parts during glue-up and assembly, but can be readily adapted to many tasks that other clamps simply can't do.